All right, folks, you're in for a treat. I've got my new karaoke machine. We're gonna sing some karaoke. Before I do, I gotta point out, it's important to have a good karaoke machine. One that you can adjust the volume level, one that you can adjust the microphone level, and one that you can make all sorts of adjustments to bass, to echo, and this has it all. Now, on top of that, a beautiful speaker that's gonna make you sound good, and that matters to me. So I've got this currently Bluetoothed into my phone, but this is running a great Android system, and you can do everything right from the system. I like being able to control it remotely as well, and it's got a great remote control. Let's start with some Jerry Reed. All right, you know what time it is. Time for some Jerry Reed. This is from Smokey and the Bandit Part 2. Oh yeah, you hear that harmonica? If I can keep it on the ground when I put that hammer down, well, I'll be Texas bound and I'm flying. We got that tin in the wind, let it all hang out again. Cause how you gonna win if you ain't trying? Look at that light, folks. Alright, so this thing is absolutely fantastic. Probably my favorite karaoke machine. I'm gonna ask you to stick around to the end of the video for even more. So stick around, you're gonna love it. So what separates this from the competition? First and foremost, a huge battery, long battery life. I love that. And it charges quickly. You can see it right on the screen. Now, at a touch of a button, this is a great touch screen that's going to let you be able to play all of your inputs and everything you need. And I love it. Now, on top of that, cool lighting effects that are going to leave you breathless. You can enter in your live audio, your headset, your mic in. We'll go over all of this in the up close portion of the video. Now, you can have your media player, your Play Store, from Google, settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Spotify, Apple Music, Chrome, and even more apps that you can install at a push of a button. So this is really fantastic. Now I normally just Bluetooth it in, and that sets up just like any other Bluetooth. Took me less than 30 seconds, like 15 seconds to set up. And yeah, I absolutely love all these options. One of the things that I like most about this system is that it will screen mirror. So say you've got some cool lyrics up on your phone or something amazing on your phone, you can just broadcast it straight to the screen on the karaoke machine. Now with the dual microphones, you can have a house party, sing your favorite Oceans in the Sand, partner songs, sing the Beatles as a crew. And one thing I do like about this, I guess I'm gonna try to point this out, is you can adjust, say, the music, the treble, the bass, and the microphone. So listen to me with echo. Hello. And then without echo. Hello. And you just sound so much better with that echo. This makes you sound better. And I do love the idea that you can adjust your treble, adjust your bass, and make you sound your best you. You know, if you don't think you have a great karaoke voice, kick in that bass, put a little echo in there, and suddenly you sound like your best you. I'm gonna turn the lights on here for a second so you can see this, but we're gonna cover more of this in the up close portion of the video. It's got sturdy handles. This screen will rotate back and go out of your way for storage. It's got a booming system with big subwoofer, great treble, and even a place to store your microphone. Oh yeah. You can go ahead and turn that off, prevent any feedback. And yeah, you got one over on this side too. So this is portable, lightweight for the type of system you get, and from a tremendous company. So I'm gonna ask you to stick around for the up close portion of the video, and at the end, I'm going to ask, depending on the platform, we're gonna have a little montage of country songs for you, so stick around. All right, folks, so if you're looking for the best of the best, go ahead and get this so you can forget the rest. My name is Adam, talking about the most elite products in all the land. Look at how sturdy this metal is on here. How beautiful this screen is, ready to connect to my Bluetooth. So I'm gonna get to dancing. Check it out, you won't be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends. All right, folks, now it's time for up close portion of the video. You ready for the grand unveil? Boom! How cool is this? Massive, powerful speakers here. And I gotta show you the ports and connections and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to name everything. There's so much on here, so every type of user can jam out to the nth degree. Microphone volume, microphone bass, microphone treble, microphone echo, music bass and music treble, and the volume change. microphone input, your power on and off right there. How cool is that? And yeah, you turn on the LEDs and the power, and it's gonna get real funky. All right, so you've got your numeric controls, your up, down, back, forward, enter and exit, your menu, wiretaps, mic, priority, I believe, P-R-I-T-Y, I believe that's what that is, karaoke mode, and your Bluetooth button to enable Bluetooth. So this is really a cool design. It's pretty darn fantastic. So yeah, if you're looking for something absolutely stellar, well, guess what? These guys have you covered with an incredible design, style, and sophistication like you've never seen before. Now over here we have the dual microphones, okay, blue and the red. And of course, you can put your rechargeable batteries right in there to jam out accordingly. And you've got a lot of accoutrement to top this off. Let's zoom out so you can see everything in here. Looks like a nice, whoa, look at that. That's a nice HDMI. Is that really? Wow, look at that. They really did top end connectors and protectant on that. That's good. Your power. Oh, here are your rechargeable batteries and your batteries for the remote control, as well as a USB A to C, that's the preferred. And I'm gonna show you the remote up close again. Applause, despise, smile, start, volume, previous, next, directional control, menu, media, home, and return with your phone numbers, your microphone, and your audio buttons on the bottom. And yeah, I'm very excited about this, folks. So if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, this one can't be beat. And of course, it has that screen that rotates out 270 degrees. Woo, there we go. Looking to see, looks like it goes that direction there. And yeah, I'm really excited to kick off my karaoke party. Just that easy. UHF. Full power. Started off with a full power. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Folks, I also have to point out this is a premier brand. A brand that goes above and beyond. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Wow, that's got some bass in there. That's really good. And you can see, we're going to turn those off real quick. Doesn't need to be constantly going. Powering on. Connecting to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Everything you need to know there. About all the inputs and everything. Is a VK60. It's got Bluetooth, Android 12. Great memory. 14-inch screen. 1366 by 768 and a 60-watt power. This thing is next level. It's the genesis of awesomeness. And yeah, look at that. There's your IR control. Those microphones, aluminum and plastic. And yeah, if you're looking for something absolutely incredible, well, guess what? This is absolutely insane. You're going to want to pick it up, and I mean that in the best way. You're going to want to pick it up, folks.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I go down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Oh, that land back in '63, hauling me on the road up to Tennessee. He hit my eagle and it driving rain, so hard he couldn't even see the past the lane. Well, he started down the grade when he lost the gear. Hit them brakes, found he had nowhere. The body of the grade was steep and long, and everybody that seen it thought the bandit was gone. The truck jackknife turned completely around. He was going down backward by the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen it, and they all say he had to head out the window, he had to clear the way. When he got to the bottom, sing the sound. Baby, how we made it now. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, run along beside it and the truck my feet. Oh, I love this song. You know I love this song. Just a good old boy.
never meaning no harm. It's all you ever saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straight in the curve, right in the hills. Someday the mountain might get them, but the Lord never will. I'm making their way, the only way to know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. This is about where you jam out. Little guitar. Woo-hoo. It's all you ever saw, but it's trouble.